All right, so the first topic is why SEO, or why search engine optimization. In my opinion, search engine optimization is probably one of the most valuable skills you can learn as a web developer. This knowledge will not only help you raise your rates, but it'll also help you become more valuable to your clients or your employer as well. You'll be able to, create projects that are way more likely to rank higher on search engines because they'll have a sound structure and they'll have a good basis that you can build on top of when it comes to, maybe even introducing SEO in the future. I was able to increase my rates significantly since I started offering SEO services. And, you know, I'm not even talking about SEO monthly plans, which are even more lucrative. I'm talking about creating websites that are going to have a good basis, that are going to perform well, and that are going to be more search engine friendly off the bat. So as soon as you create a good basis and you add some of those features that search engines love to see, when you're creating a website, it'll be much easier to rank in the future as you start adding more SEO features. Our SEO plans that we started offering recently are probably our fastest growing service that we offer today as a company. And our SEO plans start from $2,000 a month and go up to $10,000 a month. So you don't need too many clients in order to hit that 5-figure mark when you're offering higher tiered services. So it's super useful, especially if you're a freelancer, if you're an agency owner. Offering SEO services, I think, in my opinion, is a must. But again, even if you're an employee, or if you just want to learn how to create SEO friendly websites, this is a great course. It's going to give you a lot of those skills, and that are going to put you ahead of the pack. SEO is a vast industry, so there's a lot of subspecialties within it. You can do technical SEO that I cover in this course. You can do off-page SEO or content promotion, things like that. There's a lot of different subspecialties that you can specialize when it comes to SEO. So it's a vast industry, but it's also super fun to learn. So I think for me, it's been one of the most fun and challenging things to learn as a web developer. There are many different approaches when it comes to growing traffic and growing with SEO. I'm going to show you some of them. It's a combination of what we call on-page and off-page SEO strategies and tactics. But you can use a combination of these. You can use. There are many proven strategies that work. So you can use a combination. But I'm going to teach you some very sound strategies that are proven to work and that are going to give you great results. So just to summarize, some of the key takeaways of why SEO, learning SEO will make you way more valuable to clients or your employer if you're working somewhere. You can easily increase your revenue to 5 figures a month as a freelancer. Like I said, these, especially if you're offering SEO plans, monthly plans, these are high tiered services, so you don't need a lot of clients in order to hit that 5-figure mark. You also, as soon as you learn and implement the service, all of a sudden, like any new project that you offer to clients, you can add this skill as a value add to what you're already offering. So, if you're offering just a website, a simple website to clients versus offering SEO optimized website that's going to do great with search engines, your value goes up to that client. So it's much easier to sell your services and to be perceived as more valuable when you learn this skill. And again, it's super fun. It can also help you promote your own services or your own website. It's vast. There's a lot to learn. So, and there's a lot of very technical things if you're into that. And I'm assuming you are as a web developer. You can really kind of geek out when it comes to SEO and learning how to apply some of these techniques and strategies. So I hope that's helped you understand why SEO and why SEO is so lucrative. And now we're going to jump into some more technical things that'll help you implement some of these strategies and learn a little bit more about them. Thanks.